What is going on? This is AlTone, and today I want to share with you the G-Ocean Evaporative air cooler with remote. So the G-Ocean Evaporative air cooler is a very nice cooling system that would allow you to be able to cool your bedroom without having to worry about turning on your home AC system. What comes in the box with the G-Ocean Evaporative air cooler is the G-Ocean air cooler itself, a base assembly, remote control, 2 frozen crystal boxes, and a user manual. And there is some assembly required, but it's very easy to assemble. The only thing you will need is a Phillips screwdriver. I suggest having one that is magnetic so that you can take the screws off the bottom, put the 2-piece base system together and attach it to the bottom of the G-Ocean Evaporative air cooler. So the parts of the unit from top to bottom are the control panel, the light bar, the display screen, the air outlet, fan body, and then the chassis, which in the front has the water level indicator, and of course the back, top to bottom, there's a handle, a wet curtain paper, which is underneath the grill, filter screen, the water fill door, which is on the back of the chassis, so you want to make sure that you pay attention to the water fill level on the front as you fill it up. So on the top panel, there's quite a few buttons there. Let me tell you about each one of them just a little bit. You have the power button, a light button that turns on and off the blue light in the front of the unit, the timer button, the mode button, which has 3 modes, the cool button, which turns on and off the evaporative system in the air cooler, the speed, which has 3 settings, low, medium, and high, and a swing button, which turns on the oscillation, which is a 60-degree oscillation of the entire unit backward and forward. So our personal experience with the G-Ocean Evaporative air cooler has been fantastic. Normally at nighttime, my wife likes to turn the AC on because it does get a little warm in our bedroom, but having the G-Ocean Evaporative air cooler has allowed us to take the 2 frozen crystal ice boxes and put them into the chassis of the unit and just run it for quite a few hours of the night and allow it to actually cool the room. And the timer, of course, which will go up all the way up to 8 hours, allows us to let it run and turn itself off automatically so we don't have to worry about it running the entire night. So I truly hope that this helped you make that decision if this is right for you. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.